Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Baza from 5 TBIC, and I will explain about the middle test of course book. I will analyze the title book is My English Score. Okay. So when analyzing an English course book, it's crucial to consider to multiple aspects to ensure comprehensive evaluation, starting with the basic identify the grade level, which in this case it appears to be class 10, and the publisher, likely the Mahasastra board. This fundamental detail provide context for the Indian audience and educational standards. The book aims to meet. The analysis should begin with an examination of the book's aim and approach. Consider how well the content align with the curriculum objective set by the set by educational board. The evaluate whether the pedagogical approach is suitable for the target learners, taking into account their age, cultural background, and expected language proficiency level. Look for evidence of modern language teaching methodology, such as communicative language teaching or task-based learning, which are essential for the effective language acquisition. And next, scrutinize scrutinize the design and organization of the textbooks. A well-structured course book should have a logical progression of topic and language complexity. Each unit or chapter should have the learning objective, allowing the student and the teacher to understand the expected outcome. And the layout should be visual, appealing, and easy to navigate, with a balance of text, image, and the white space to enhance the readability and engagement. The language content is a critical component. The language content is a critical component of any English textbook. Analyze how is grammar present and practice, looking for a balance between explicit instruction and contextual learning. So vocabulary development should be systematic, with the new word introduction in the meaningful context and reinforcement through various activity. Pay attention to the integration of the language skill, reading, writing, listening, and speaking, ensuring that all the adequacy represent and often the combined in the tasks that mirror real life. And often combined in the tasks that mirror real life language use. In terms of skill development, examines how each of the four main language skills in address. For reading, assess the variety of the text types, lengths, and complexity level. Look for pre-reading activity, that activity for knowledge, while of the reading task that encourage activity, engagement with the text, and post the reading exercise that promote the critical thinking and language production. Writing skills should be developed through a range of the tasks, from the guide to free writing, comparing various genre relevant to the student needs. And the topics covered in the textbook play a significant role in maintaining students' interest and providing cultural context. Evaluate the relevance and appeal of the topic of the target age group. Look for a diverse range of subjects that not only support language learning but also the contribute to the student general knowledge and cultural awareness, and the inclusion of the current issue, global perspective, and topic that promotes critical thinking is the particular variable. Okay, the next, the social value and the cultural representation are increasingly important aspect of the language textbooks. Analyze the visual content such as programs and illustration for the diversity and inclusivity. Look for the representation of the various in technique, gender, and social background. The textbook should promote positive social value and avoid the stereotypes and base the port- portrayals. The methodology employed in the textbook is crucial for the effective learning. Assess how the book encourages learner autonomy, providing opportunity for the self-study and the reflection. Look for the activity that provide communicative language use, such as role play, discussion, and project work. The inclusion of the collaborative tasks can enhance both the language skill and social interaction among the students. Assessment strategies within the textbook should be varied and aligned with the modern educational practice. Look for a mix of formative and summative assessment, including which is self-assessment, opportunity, and speaking assessment in the particular should employ a communicative approach, focusing on the real world language, focusing on the real world language use rather than the read memorization. Finally, consider the supportive provide for the teacher. A comprehensive teacher guide can greatly enhance the effective effectiveness of the textbook. It should be offer additional resource, teaching tips, answer case, and suggestion for adapting content to different learner, different learning, different learning content. The availability of supplementary audio resource, supplementary material such as the audio resource, digital component, or workbooks can also add value to the overall package. By the thoroughly examining this aspect, can you provide a detailed and insightful analysis of the English coursebook, highlighting its the strength and potential areas for the improvement. This comprehensive approach ensures that the all case element of an effective language learning resource are considered, from the content and methodology to cultural representation and practical implementation in the classroom. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.